If you're running into rate limit issues on your Gadget app, you can now go ahead and purchase additional units of execution capacity using our new add-on so that you stop running into 429s. And that can be request rate limits or database rate limits. Let's take a quick peek. If I go into settings here, add-ons, execution capacity is at the bottom, and you can buy multiple units of execution capacity for your production environment. Each unit gives you an additional 500 requests per 10 seconds, as well as an additional 20,000 milliseconds of database time to your 10-second bucket. And if you want more information about how we calculate our rate limits, we use the leaky bucket algorithm. It is available in our documentation. So if I go ahead and click Get Started, I can add additional units of execution capacity. Each unit increases my rate limits by that threshold, and I can purchase up to a maximum of 10 units. Now, if I need to go past these limits here, please reach out to our support team. We're happy to work with you depending on your needs. Now, you will notice that in addition to just plain old request rate limits and database rate limit, there is a surge threshold that is also increased. Surge is another add-on for your production environments where you can temporarily spike past your rate limit, and we won't rate limit you, but we do charge you more. So if you are frequently spiking past, you will be charged for surge, and you may want to consider adding an additional unit of execution capacity, and then you won't be charged for that surge time. So depending on how much surge time you're being charged for, an execution capacity unit might be a better option. If you've already purchased execution capacity and you don't want any more, maybe the holiday rush is over, you can go back down to 0, update, and it will remove the add-on. Now, when do you need to purchase more execution capacity? We already kind of talked a little bit about surging. Let's take a look at our ops dashboard because we have 2 charts that tell you when you might need to purchase more. So on the overview tab, we do have a request rate limit usage chart. If you're running into the red, you might want to look at additional execution capacity because you are getting 429s on your requests. And if we go to request type, this does apply to internal requests, a request made using your public API, include background actions. All of these are drawing from the same request rate limit pool, as well as any HTTP requests being made against your app. Same thing goes for database. If I go over to my database tab, I have a database rate limit usage chart. If I'm running into the red zone, I can go ahead and purchase additional execution capacity so that I stop getting rate limited. If you have any questions about any of this, please reach out to us on Discord or get in contact with our support team. We're happy to work with you to figure out what is best for your app. Until next time, I hope you keep building more and coding less with Gadget.